Hi students, let us continue with chapter 16, exercise 16b. So in our previous classes, we had done till question number 8, right? So today let me continue with question number 9. Coming to question number 9, a boy got 60 out of 80 in Hindi, 60 out of 80 in Hindi, 75 out of 100 in English, 65 out of 70 in arithmetic. Arithmetic is mathematics. Okay. In which subject is this percentage of marks the best? Also find the overall percentage. So let me find out the percentage in each subject. Percentage in Hindi we'll find first, right? How do we do it? He got 60 marks out of 80. So 60 by 80 into 100 we do, right? So cancel. 4, 2 4s are 2 5s are again 2s are 3s are. So 30. So you get 30 into 5, that is 150 by 2. 150 by 2 was how much? 75%, right? Now coming to next subject, second subject, percentage in which? English. In English, percentage I have written the sign of percentage, right? Okay, so that is 75 by 100 into 100, again it is 75%. Now coming to the third subject, it is 65% in arithmetic. Arithmetic, it is 65 by 70 into 100. Cancel. So again 65 into, that is 650 by 7. What is 650 by 7? 7 goes how many times in 650? 7 9s are 63, right? 20. 7 goes 2 times, 14. Again that is 6 0. It goes how many times now? 7 8s are 56, 40. It goes on, continues like that. So 7 goes in 7 5s are 35, continues, right? So we can get it as 92.85%. So which subjects he got the best percentage? That is arithmetic. Okay. What is this overall percentage? How do we find the overall percentage? In order to find the overall percentage, we will have to count the marks he received. What are the marks he received? It is, see, 60 plus 75 plus 65. So 60 plus 75 plus 65 is the marks he got, right? So you get 12 plus 1, 13 plus 7, that is 200. So overall total marks is how much? Total marks. 60 he got out of how many? 80. 80 plus 100 plus 70. Correct. So how much you getting? 100 plus 70 plus 80, that is 250. So percentage of overall percentage is equal to, overall percentage equal to 200 divided by 250 into 100. Cancel. 5 goes how many times here? 5 5s are 5 2s are again 5 4 40. So overall percentage is 80%. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Question number 10. 60 more soldiers joined the camp of 500. So 60 more joined the camp of 500 soldiers. I have written 60 plus have joined the camp of 500 soldiers. What percentage of the earlier soldiers do they make? Okay, so earlier there were 500 soldiers. So what percentage of 500 is 60 they are asking. Okay, so it is 60 by total is 500. 60 is how much percentage of 500 we need to find out? 100. So you get cancelled. 60 by 5 is 12. So it is 12%. Hope it's clear. what percentage of the earlier soldiers, that is what 60 makes what percentage of 500. So you got it as 12 percentage. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 11. In a plot of ground of area is how much? Area is 6000 square meters. 4500 square meters is allowed for construction. Okay. What percentage of area is left without construction? So here out of 6000, 4500 is allowed for construction. So what percentage is allowed? Not allowed for construction. So area not allowed for construction is what? Allowed for construction. Area not allowed for construction equal to 6000 minus 4500, that is equal to 1500 square meters. So percentage of area not allowed for construction, percentage of area not allowed for construction equal to 1500 by area is equal to 6000 into 100. So what do you get? Cancel. 6 in 150. How many times 6 goes in? 150. That is 3 goes 2 times. So in 150 3 goes how many times? 50. 50 by 2 is 25. So it is 25% of area is not allowed for construction. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Question number 12. Mr. Sharma has a monthly salary of Sharma is given as rupees 8,000. Okay. Mr. Sharma has a monthly salary of 8,000 if he spent 6,400 every month. Salary spent is how much? Amount spent equal to rupees 6,400 every month. 6,400 every month. Find his monthly expenditure as percentage. So monthly salary is 8,000. Monthly spend, what is spent is 6,400. So that is his expenditure, right? What we spend is our expenditure. So expenditure is 6,400. So what is the percentage? So that you can write, first question was monthly expenditure as percentage. So that is 6,400 by total salary is 8,000 into 100. Cancelling zeros, then again this. So 8 goes in 64, 8 times, right? So 80. So 80% is expenditure. Okay. What's the second sub question? Is monthly savings as percentage. So either you can subtract them and find the saving, then find the percentage. But instead of that, if 80% is the expenditure, what will be its percentage of savings? That will be surely 100 minus 80. 100% minus 80%, that is equal to 20%. Okay. Now coming to question number 13. Okay. Question number 13. A monthly salary of Rohit is given as rupees 24,000. Okay. If his salary increases by 12%. Salary increased by how much percentage? Increased by 12%. Find his new monthly salary. Okay. So what will be the new monthly salary? New monthly salary is equal to this salary plus 12% of this. Correct. So first we'll find out what is 12% of 24,000. 12% of 24,000. Did you understand the question? His salary, if his salary increases by 12%. So it is 12 by 100 into 24,000. Okay. Cancel. So 24 into 12. 24. So what do you get? 288. 2880. Okay, rupees 2,880 is the 12% of 24,000. Okay, so you get it as 12,000. So what is the what we need to find out? Find is new monthly salary. So new monthly salary, monthly, they didn't ask the increment, they've asked what is the new monthly salary. What is new monthly salary? Old salary, that is 24,000 plus the increase in salary, that is 2,880. It's equal to 8862, 26,000 rupees, 26,880. Okay. Now coming to question number 14. In a sale, the price of an article is reduced by how much? Price is reduced by 30%. Reduced by 30%. If the original price of article is rupees 1,800. What's the first sub question? Find the reduction in price of the article. So how do we find out? 30% it is reduced, right? So what is 30% of 1,800? We need to find first. Okay, that is 30 by 100 into 1,800. Cancel. So 18 3s are 54. So it is 540. So first sub question is reduction in the price of the article. Reduction in the prices, reduction equal to rupees 540. Second sub question, reduced price of the article. Reduction is 540. So what is the reduced price? Reduced price will be the total price minus reduction price, that is equal to 1,800 by minus 540. 6 2 1. So your amount is 1,260. Hope it's clear. Okay, so in detail I've explained it here. Just have a look. Now coming to the 15th question. Evaluate 30% of 200 plus 20% of 450 minus 25% of 600. Okay. So how do we do it? The second sub question of first, you can do it as a homework. So just have a look how I am doing this. Okay. So homework can be done in your classwork itself. When I ask you to submit the classwork, at that time you can submit it. Okay. So it is 30% of. So 30 by 100 of 200 plus 20 by 100 of 450 minus 25 by 100 of is multiplication. So only just writing it like that. So each one we'll do separately. All the multiplication should be done first. You know the BODMAS rule, right? All the off will be done first, then we'll go to the addition. So 200 to cancel. This 0 and 0. Here 0 and 0 is getting cancelled. Same here. 600. So what is 30 into 2? 30 of 2. That is 30 into 2. That is 60. Plus 2 into 45. That is 90. Minus 25 into 6. That is 150. What is 60 plus 90? That is 150. 150 minus 150 is equal to 0. You get the answer. Okay. So hope exercise 16b is clear to you all. So question number 15, second sub question, you will be doing it as homework. Let us continue the rest of the exercise in our next classes. Okay. Thank you, students.